Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Roku is updated and online. This prevents app conflicts. Once done, use the Roku home button and open streaming channels to search for Apple TV. Install the Apple TV app immediately. Installation takes seconds. While it downloads, sign into your Apple ID on your phone so you're ready for verification. Make sure your Roku and verification device share the same Wi-Fi. This speeds activation and reduces login hurdles. After installation, launch the Apple TV app and choose Sign In. You'll see an activation code on screen. Next, on your phone or computer, go to the activation page Apple prompts and enter that code. This links the Roku to your Apple ID. Once done, follow prompts to enable purchases, subscriptions, and any family sharing. Make sure to authorize the device when asked. This lets you access purchased content and Apple TV Plus immediately without repeated logins. Finish by testing playback. Play a trailer to confirm video, audio, and subtitles work. Then in the Apple TV app settings, adjust audio output, caption style, and autoplay to match your preference. These settings improve day-to-day use. If something goes wrong, restart your Roku and router first, then sign out and back into the app. If activation still fails, verify two-factor prompts on your Apple ID device and disable any VPNs that can block activation traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.